Watch out YouTube, we at the spot, man, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of crazy because I left my big camera, so it's hard to deal with this for now, you know what I'm saying? But we got the range, man, we got the new build. Y'all see it, 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 y'all see it. But yeah, I left the big camera, so we're gonna have to deal with this. And the battery kind of dead on this, so I gotta charge this up in increments. So I'm gonna try to get as much content as I can off of this and my phone. So I'm gonna go load this clip up and get some shots out this at 25. Then we got 50. Then all the way out there we got 100. We're gonna try that at the end. But yeah, I think in my head when we get the shots in and stuff, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna get the best parts out. So just stay tuned, man, stay tuned. All right, let's get it. Hopefully that's good. I ain't messing none up. So we're gonna get some shots on this right here. You know what I'm saying? My shit going straight forward. I don't know about that. Alright, let's get some shots out of this thing, man. It's my baby right here. Alright, y'all gonna get some more shots out this John. This John feeling a little weird though. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know why, but I'm gonna get some more shots out of it. So I can see my shit going straight forward. That shit's fitting gas right in my face, bro. It ain't fucking do it. That's crazy. Yeah, something up, bro. Y'all hear him still shots I'm hitting out there. Show that right quick. All the way out that way, you know what I'm saying? All the way up off in there, you know, all the way out there. Y'all gonna hear it. Just wait, just wait. These peppers going crazy. Double feed. Fuck that bullet. Bitch. All right, let's get it. a whole 100, man. Oh, damn. Yeah, that's that, bro. This shit hot. Oh, we got some more here. I'll practice some prawn or something like that. Let's see. Yeah, y'all see that. Oh, that's it. That's a day.